In unconfined aquifer, as I told you, we are taking 2 observation well, and this is our initial level of water, and this is the final level. You can see that दोस्तों आप देख सकते हो, when the discharge pump, when we taken out the discharge, when we are taking the discharge, when we pouring water, then the height of the water, because the top is made up of pervious strata in unconfined aquifer and the bottom is made of impervious, so water cannot go from that well, and the well should be in the cylindrical shape. Means जो हमारे well होंगे, they must be in the cylindrical shape, and the discharge should be radial. Okay, discharge going into radial form. So we can say that if R1, R2, R is an initial state point difference from the center of the well, and R2 is the final, and R1 is a radial distance from the, because the water, when we are digging out the well, और जब पानी हमारा निकल, it should be in the radial form, it should be in the radial. That is why I've taken the R distance, and Z is the height of the total, H is the total height of the water, and Z2 is the height of water in the observation to observation, and Z1 in the first observation well. And the Darcy law is valid, and the well penetrate inside to the entire thickness of aquifer, and the flow should be continuous and steady. दोस्तों ये आपका एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन जरूर बनता है फॉर पंपिंग आउटर से, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि व्हाट आर द assumptions, और ये आपका assertion स्टेटमेंट में कि द फ्लो शुड बी लेमिनार एंड कॉन्टिन्यूस, तो ये आपको दोस्तों assumption थोड़ा सा याद करना होगा, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद हमारा आता है फॉर फाइंडिंग द थिकनेस R1 R2 गिवन, देन द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ परमेबिलिटी इज गिवन बाय Q upon 1.3 Z2 square minus Z, where Z2 is the height of the water in the second observation well, and Z is a height of water at the first observation well, and log R2 is the radial distance from the second observation from the center. We will always measure the radial distance from the center of the two wells. From the center से जो हम measure करेंगे वो हमारी radial distance होगी, and this is the given the coefficient probability we can derive to that particular formula. दोस्तों ये एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन आपका जरूर बनेगा if you have given the radial distance and the height of water and you are asked about to find out the coefficient of permeability. So you can find, for if it is given unconfined aquifer, you can find through this formula K is equal to Q upon 1.36 Z2 square minus Z1 square into log R2 upon R1. Okay, and now it comes for the below given formula for permeability. See, you can see that two observation impervious strata dot down curve. This is your thickness of aquifer impervious strata, and you can see the dot down curve, and Z naught is a height or level of water after the water level decreases in the test well. Okay, you can see for finding the from the field, we can see for the if H is a Z naught is a level of water at the final stage, Z naught, and the H is the head of the water, and H is the thickness of the capital H is the thickness of water, thickness of pervious strata. So you can find through this formula.